Hi, welcome all. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the market technical view. Nifty price action indicates the supply at higher levels, tested 18,756 on an intraday basis and saw a profit booking till 18,647 to close at 18,665, signaling a weaker bias. Nifty futures resisted around 18,808 and saw a profit booking to test the levels of 18,690 to close at 18,701. As of now, the Nifty range being 18,630 to 18,930, major supports placed at 18,630 and resistance at 18,945. Nifty only if trades decisively above 18,930 might keep the bulls motivated. On the other hand, Nifty if breaks 18,630, we might see selling pressure to continue till 18,500 to 18,450 zones. Bank Nifty consolidation testing times 43,200 to 44,300. Break of either range convincingly would set the trend for the indices. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy trading.